Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if when you're opening up Notepad it's not opening up blank. Basically it looks like it's opening up a prior sessions text. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung Notepad. And then click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so once na-open mo na yung Notepad, so dito lang sa upper right side, nakikita mo dito yung icon settings. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa left side menu, makikita mo dito yung settings. And then kung paano ba natin i-fix yung Notepad not opening as blank. So scroll down lang tayo and then dito lang sa opening Notepad under dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung when Notepad starts. So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And the next step ay may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select. So pwede open content from the previous sessions or open a new window. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. Pwede yan isa or pwede naman dito yung pinaka-una. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Notepad not opening as blank in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.